Good evening. We're here from the Royal Air Force Association. We're supporting the Airshow here at Eastbourne. It's been a great day today. We've seen lots of action in the skies. The Lancaster seemed to be a very good addition. The Typhoon's also a very good favourite. It's been a very fun day. There's some very interesting characters around. One's right behind me over there. But yeah, it's been a great day. There's been plenty of people. Overall, a very good success, I think.
Hi, my name is JJ Adams. I'm the Vice Chair of RAFA Eastbourne, and I'm here supporting the Royal Air Force Association at the Airshow at Eastbourne Airborne. We've had a fabulous day today. The weather's been sensational. We did get our Lancaster today. We didn't get the Red Arrows, but we got the Eurofighter, we got the Mustang, we got the lot, and it was wonderful. And the crowds were just sensational. Great stuff.
My name's Dan, and I'm the supervisor of the seafront, of the kiosks on the seafront. So we've had a very busy day. It's not been as busy as previous years, but it's probably because the show is a lot shorter than it was in previous years. And yesterday we had the Red Arrows. Today we haven't. They've gone away to Canada, so we haven't got as many people down here today. But it's been a really good day so far, and it's been fun.
I'm Susie, I work for Orange Beach Bars, and we've been at Eastbourne Airshow today, and it's been really cool. The airplanes have been really fun to watch. It's been very exciting. It's been a great day.
You're a sky full of stars.